Okay, so this is a low light video of the DMP integrated tail light for the 08 ZX10R. I'm going to do it like this because I don't think the other videos have really done this piece justice. I'm also going to show you some LP racing LED turn markers up front. Let me zoom in here. Let you see what I got. That right there is the piece, and again, like I said, this is low light, so if it were actually like a nighttime ride, it'd probably be all blacked out. Before I get it all started up, I'll show you what I got going on here. So right underneath here are my LED turn signals. Right underneath the arm of the mirrors. Pardon my dirty ass garage. Okay, let's fire this thing up. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.